The Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger. You know, there are watches, and then there are watches that transcend time, quite literally. This is not your average Rolex, folks. It's a timepiece that embodies precision, power, and a touch of ferocity. Did you know that the Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger is so exclusive that there are only a handful of these beauties in the entire world, and getting your hands on one is like finding a needle in a haystack? And here's the kicker. The dial pattern, resembling the fierce eyes of a tiger, is not painted or printed, but meticulously carved. That's right. Every single dial is a unique masterpiece, a testament to Rolex's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship. Now, I know you might be wondering about the price tag. Some lucky collectors have seen the value of their Eye of the Tiger skyrocket over the years, making it a treasure trove for those with an eye for not only style, but also financial potential. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to take you on a journey into the heart of horology, where craftsmanship meets artistry and luxury takes on a whole new meaning. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be absolutely mesmerized. Now let's dive into the true value of the Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger. This isn't just about its price tag. It's about what makes this watch an exceptional piece of horological history. Firstly, let's address its rarity. The Eye of the Tiger is not your run-of-the-mill Rolex. In fact, it's one of the rarest Rolex models ever created. The limited production numbers ensure that owning one places you in an exclusive club of collectors and enthusiasts. It's not just a watch. It's a symbol of prestige and privilege. The exclusivity factor is further enhanced by its unique dial pattern. The captivating Eye of the Tiger pattern is not something you'll find on any other watch. Each dial is a masterpiece in its own right, painstakingly crafted to resemble the fierce and mesmerizing eyes of a tiger. This level of detail and artistry is a testament to Rolex's commitment to pushing the boundaries of watchmaking. Now, let's talk about investment. Rolex watches in general have a strong track record of retaining and increasing their value. But when you combine that with the rarity of this particular model, you have a watch that's not just a timepiece, but also an investment. This watch typically commands a staggering price of around $150,000 to $200,000, making it a true investment piece. Now let's take a closer look at the craftsmanship that sets the Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger apart from the rest. Rolex is renowned for its unwavering commitment to perfection, and this watch exemplifies that dedication to the highest standards of watchmaking. The intricate pattern on the dial is not a result of chance. It's a product of precise craftsmanship. Rolex employs expert artisans who meticulously create the distinctive tiger eye pattern, ensuring that every single dial is a masterpiece in its own right. What's truly remarkable is that achieving this pattern is no simple task. It involves a complex and delicate process of layering thin slices of semi-precious stones or minerals over the dial. These stones, often tiger's eye or black onyx, are chosen for their striking colors and unique textures. The stones are carefully cut and polished to perfection, and then, with the skill of a true artist, they are arranged in a way that mimics the mesmerizing eyes of a tiger. The result is a dial that captures the spirit of the wild, a watch face that not only tells time but also tells a story of craftsmanship and precision. Beyond the dial, the rest of the watch exemplifies Rolex's commitment to excellence. The case, often crafted from solid gold or other precious metals, is a testament to both strength and beauty. The bracelet, meticulously designed for comfort and durability, is a seamless extension of the watch itself. Before we wrap things up, don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this deep dive into the Rolex Daytona Eye of the Tiger. Your likes are like fuel for us, motivating us to bring you more exciting watch content. Now here's the deal. If you've been intrigued by the Eye of the Tiger, you're in for a treat in our next video. We'll be unraveling the exquisite details of the Rolex Daytona white gold blue dial. It's another Rolex legend, and I promise you won't want to miss it. And, of course, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about the most iconic timepieces in the world. Thanks for joining me today on Wrist Couture. Until next time, keep ticking, and I'll catch you in the next video.